So the question says 3 raised power a to be equal to a raised power 9. So we can simply have 3 raised power a, everything raised power 1 over a, to now be equal to a raised power 9, everything raised power 1 over a. That is what we've done to the left hand side, we've already done it to the right hand side as well. And don't forget, if you have x raised power a, everything raised power b, simply means x raised power a b. So from here, this a we cancel out this a, so we are left with 3 to be equal to a raised power 9 divided by a. So from here, so you can simply have 3 raised power 1 over 9 multiply to the left hand side, and we'll do same thing to the right hand side as well, by saying you have 9 divided by a multiplied by 1 divided by 9. So this 9 we cancel out this 9. Now we are left with 3 raised power 1 over 9 to be equal to a raised power 1 over a. So from here, this means we have a raised to power 1, so a raised power 1 over a here to be equal to 3 raised power 1 over 9. So the implication of what we are having here is that, so we can simply have 1 to be equal to 3 over 3. Yes, because if you divide 3 by 3, it will give you 1. So we can now apply that to what we have in our right hand side, so that we'll now be having a raised power 1 over a to now be equal to 3 raised power 3 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 9. Yes. So a raised power 1 over a now give us 3 raised power 3 multiplied by 1 divided by 3 times 9, according to law of indices. So and from here, so what we have in our left hand side, a now give us 3 raised power 3 into bracket 1 over 3 multiplied by 9. Yes. So from here, we are having a raised power 1 over a to be equal to 3 raised power 3, everything close brackets by 1 divided by 27. So once you understand it up to this stage, so because 3 raised power 3 simply means 3 times 3 times 3, and it's equal to 27. So therefore, we will now have a raised power 1 over a to now be equal to 27 raised power 1 over 27. So from here, we will apply a principle here. So this shows that our a, what we are having here simply means our a is equal to 27. But for us to be sure that what we have been doing since morning is correct, that is our original value of a is 27. So let's now verify that. Let's verify if our real answer is 27. From what we have been given as the question, we have 3 raised power a to be equal to a raised power 9. So since 3 raised power a is equal to a raised power 9, and don't forget our a that we've just gotten is equal to what? 27. Now let's now substitute for the value of a into the original equation and see if we are going to get same thing in our left and right hand side, so that we'll be able to decide if our calculation is correct or not. So let's now substitute for the value of a. So now we're having 3 raised power 27 now be equal to what? 27, that is a raised power 9. So from here, so from our left hand side says 3 raised power 27. So that will now give us what? 27 raised power 9. And don't forget, you can simply convert 27 to 3 times 3. So everything now will be raised power what? Raised power 9. So moving forward, we have 3 raised power 27 to give us what? 3 raised power 3, everything raised power 9. And don't forget, in law of indices, if you have x raised power a, everything raised power b. So this simply means x raised power what? A b. So from here, if you have been following this, you will notice that what we are having from our left hand side is what? 3 raised power 27 to now be equal to. So from the original question, that is, we are having what? We are having 3 raised power a to be equal to a raised power 9. So we are asked to get the value of a. So, and we've already gotten the value of a to be 27 if you have been following. So the value of a here is what? Is 27. So we now want to verify if our left hand side will be equal to what? Our right hand side, so that we'll be able to conclude that the value of a is really 27. So we have 3 raised power a to be a raised power 9, and since the value of a is 27, so we've substituted for the value of a, that is, we have 3 raised power 27 now equal to 27 raised power 9. So 3 raised power 27 is equal to, because we can convert 27 to 3 raised power 3, so therefore everything 3 raised power 3 now raised power what? 9. So, and don't forget, we have x raised power a, everything close bracket b. You can simply write it as x raised power a b. So therefore, from here we have 3 raised power 27 now be equal to 3 raised power 3 will give us what? So when we apply this principle now, so we now have 3 raised power 3 times 9. So therefore 3 raised power 27 will now be equal to what? 3 raised power 27. So this shows that left hand side is equal to what? Right hand side. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more mathematics video if you haven't subscribed before. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video to your colleagues, your educational that you are in the same way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.